Okay.
My dear students, this is my second online class and it is very much important to you all. It is the need of time and it is the best means by which all the students will make contact with your teachers. So here is the second class and now today we are going to discuss about present continuous tense. This present continuous tense is very much important as it is the second part of present tense. The main recognition for this tense is the action is going on. Means whatever the action that is going on at present time, this one will give the complete sense of present continuous. If you would like to ask what will be the format of this present continuous, then you must know is, am, are auxiliary verb plus before. That will be ever used as present continuous. So after this, as before, as simple present you have already read, you have already understood, as it has many formats. So very similarly this present continuous also has many formats. And the first format is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is known to everybody and here is affirmative sentence. The structure of affirmative sentence is subject is / am / are plus before plus object plus full stop. And if you would like to write a particular sentence following the format, one of the best sentences is she is writing a letter. When this affirmative is changed into negative sentence, then the format will be subject plus is / am / are plus before plus object plus full stop. The sentence will be she is not writing a letter. If this affirmative is changed into interrogative sentence, then the format of interrogative sentence will be is / am / are plus subject plus before plus object plus question mark. And the sentence will be is she writing a letter question mark. And if this negative sentence is changed into interrogative, this one is called negative interrogative. And the format of negative interrogative is / am / are plus subject plus not plus before plus o means object plus question mark. And the sentence will be is she not writing a letter. So here affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and when the question will be created from affirmative, that will be interrogative, and when the question will be created from negative, that will be negative interrogative. And now the best part is WH interrogative. So WH interrogative means when the questions will be created by implementing WH words, all these questions will be called negative WH interrogative. WH interrogative. So WH words means denoting WH words who, which, what, when, where, how, why, whom, all like that. So here WH interrogative format is WH plus is / am / are plus subject plus before plus object plus question mark. Now the sentence will be who is writing a letter. If the sentence will be created by implementing which letter is she writing question mark. When what generally stands for object means when what will be used, object will be replaced from the sentence. So what is she writing? Here letter is removed from the sentence. because this what stands here for later. So if you would like to replace the object, definitely you must have to create your questions by implementing what. Then when stands for time. When is she writing a letter? अगर ऐसा कहना हो वह कब पत्र लिख रही है, तो निश्चित रूप से इसके लिए क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से पूछा जाना बड़ा ही अच्छा होगा कि when is she writing a letter. Then after where stands for place. Where is she writing a letter? Now how is she writing a letter? How commonly stands for method. And why is she writing a letter? Why stands for reason.